Hey, what's up guys? It's Jamie here. Thanks very much for joining me in today's video. So I'm going to be talking about one of the key traits you need in order to make this whole affiliate marketing business work. Something that I think is perhaps lacking for a lot of people out there, hence why the failure rate is so high. And I'm going to discuss how you can start implementing a little bit of that into your business. But before I do, welcome to my channel, by the way. My name's Jamie, and if this is your first time here, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. So if any of that's of interest to yourself, I'd invite you to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Right, so going to take you back circa 1986 actually. I was about 5 years old at the time, and for months, absolute months, I wanted this little bicycle, a little BMX bike, and loved it. When I finally got it, it was like all my Christmases came at once, which at that stage was only 5 of them, so of course it was like a big deal. And basically I rode this out, I lived on it pretty much from dawn till basically when I get tired and come inside for dinner and whatnot. I'd ride my bike, and just around the neighborhood, we lived in a rural area, and I loved it. I lived on it for years, absolutely loved this little blue BMX bike. And so one day, knowing how much I loved the bike, by the way, one day I was naughty. I don't know what I did exactly. I don't know what I did to piss my parents off or whatever, but my mum said to me, if you keep doing whatever it was I was doing, I'm not going to let you ride your bike anymore. And so I happened to be on my bike at the time, and my response was to look at her and step off my bike and drop it on the ground right in the middle of the driveway. And I didn't even look at my bike, which I was madly in love with for around about 2 weeks. And Mum, in the end, she admits that she gave up before I did. And she said, all right, you have your fucking bike back. Go ride the bloody thing. And so I got my bike back, and you know, even though I was in a state of constant torment because I couldn't get on my bloody bike, eventually I was allowed back on it. And so my stubbornness right from a very early age, I don't know where I got it from or why it was there, or you know what prompted that particular situation, but the point being, and the relevance to modern day life, is that I've been plugging away at this whole online thing for 9 years at the time of recording, and I guess my history in terms of trying to make stuff work in terms of business and whatnot stems back to 2006. I think I probably started like really seriously getting into different kind of business opportunities, things like that. So 14 plus years of experience, and 9 specifically in affiliate marketing and digital marketing, all that sort of stuff. And so every time I would come up against a hurdle, I would go through that same process I did when I was 5 years old. I would get frustrated that I wasn't allowed to be on my bike, but I was so stubborn and so determined to make this stuff work that I just knew that if there is other people doing it, if there's a way that other people are making substantial income doing this, living the dream lifestyle where they're not working for a boss, when they're doing whatever they want, where they're enjoying time doing things that they enjoy, not because they have to wake up to go to work for a boss, at a place that they hate, then if the other people are doing that, I must be able to do it as well. And I knew that if I just kept pushing, eventually I would figure out a way to make it work. And it turns out it was actually a lot simpler. I know some of you guys that are following on in my channel would have heard me say this a couple of times, but my entire business quite literally is now only 4 components. It's very, very basic. It's putting out content such as this. I engage with other users on different platforms. I reach out to them. I have conversations with a whole bunch of people. And the last part is I've got a very ironclad diagnostic process to see if the products and services that I have can actually help my audience out. And of course, they're not going to help everyone out, and I'm completely cool with that concept. But I'm stubborn. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep trying to help people out. And so what I've found that motivates me is the financial side of doing this is amazing. Don't get me wrong. But what is even more fulfilling is 2 things. Number one is the personal growth that you experience from trying to achieve anything. And you know, that in itself I think is incredible, and the growth and the bigger capacity you have to help people, which is the second part of that actually, is the fulfillment comes from the people that you help along the way. The fact that I've been struggling for years, and I can help someone else shortcut that process, and they don't have to struggle the way that I did. And the feedback that I get saying that I'm helping them out, that they're getting finally understanding business and how it's helping to grow their business, and they're actually getting results and things like that. And so those two things together are what drive me. And then of course the last part of it is, like I say, because I'm stubborn, the financial reward is kind of like the cream, what's that saying? The cream on the cookie on the cake, cherry on the cookie, cherries and cookie mashed together. You know what I'm saying? The cherry on top. That's what I meant to say. I should know that I'm wearing a cherry coloured top. Anyway, so that's it. The big advice and the big takeaway, if you're watching this, is don't fucking give up. The shit is hard. It's not like the stuff that you're reading out there about the sales pages and how it looks easy and you can earn $1,000 per day. Yes, you can do it. Some days it really feels easy. You kind of wake up and you're like, oh, okay, I made some cash over there. That's pretty cool. Other days you're busting your butt and nothing happens, and then you have a bad week and a bad month, and shit happens, man. This is business, right? So, but the point is that if you're fulfilling your dream, then that's just part of it, and it's that's part of the growth that you go through as the whole process. So, yeah, don't give up. And don't mix what you're doing. Don't try and if something's not working, adjust. But don't quit on that method just because you haven't made it work in the first week, right? So, big thing with affiliate marketing is persevere, and I do encourage you to do so. Speaking of perseverance, if you're tired of struggling with your affiliate marketing, or you're brand new and you want a proper framework that's both easy, replicatable, and you want help along the way, and basically people to hold you by the hand as you go through this journey, all you need to do is click that link below, check it out, come and join us in the Super Affiliate Accelerator. We're doing really good things, and our students are getting some amazing results from being in there as well. So anyway, with all that being said, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and hopefully you got some value out of this. Smash that like button. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know what else you'd like to learn, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks very much.